Hello. Yes. You can see VUY factory today, and you can see the way we make machine web. See, it's machine web room, and you can see they are making tape for color hair. Yes, from raw hair they are making tape. And yes, we go on to making weft, machine weft hair like this. You can see they are making single weft. Yes, we often make them for double weft, but before making double weft, we have to making single weft. Yes, this is single weft, and then we will make double weft. Yes, a single weft is thinner than double wave. Yes, you can see there is double wave. Yes, double wave ply, not double run. Yes, I mean with the wave line, there is double wave line. It's thicker than the single wave. Yes, there is double wave fly. That means after making single wave fly, we will double it for double wave flies. Yeah, you can see the double round or single round, that means the full length of the hair, but double wave line or single wave line, that means it's the thickness of the wave line. Yeah, after making the bundle like this, you can see the bundle like this, and next to the way you can see after making the wave line like this is the highlights, blonde highlights and gray hair after making weft. Yes, and then we will roll into the bundle. Yes, you can see into the bundle. Yes, this is the way our worker roll the weft. Yes, they will roll the weft. Okay, we will come to they are remove gray hair after making the bundle. And outside of the factory is near with natural. Next to with the hair stock. Hair stock is many hair here. You can see. So it's for we are order. We are arranging the order from customer. This is the raw hair and natural wavy. You can see. Natural wavy hair from raw hair, and this is back hair from single donor hair. Yes, before making wave, it's like this. You can see, it's like this, natural wavy or natural straight. It's like this, and the back hair we collect from donor, and we will make back hair like that. Before we make the web, now you can see hair stock. Many hair stock. And here is the close-on frontal room. Yes, close-on frontal. You can see this is the transparent leg. Not 80 leg. Yes, it is transparent legs. It is going to ship to some customer, and many close-on frontal in stock. We have a worker making close-on frontal is not here, because many workers make it at home, and they will come to our factory to import the close-on frontal like this. They will take it to home and to make it, and after finish they will you can see 80 leg here. Yes, this is 80 leg. This is transparent legs. This transparent leg, not 80 leg. They are the same color light, right? But when with 80 leg is made with the skin better than the transparent leg. But the transparent leg is stronger than 80 leg. You can see 80 leg here. You can see the border of the 80 leg is different with the transparent leg, right? This is transparent leg. Transparent leg is cheaper than 80 leg. Because the 80 leg we buy is also more expensive. The same hair, but the different the quality of the leg, 80 leg and transparent leg. Yes, you can see many close-on frontal in stock to be going to ship to customer. This is 80 leg frontal. You can see frontal at the leg. We have the hair before we make closer frontal like this. With the hair to make closer frontal, we have to remove cuticle. Yeah, thank you so much.